My name is Shuang Li, and my new commission for Paraventi is called This Mirror Isn't Big Enough for Two of Us. The work actually departs from the imagery of shadows. As I was working and the work proceeds on its own, this imagery of the shadow kind of turns into more of a metaphor of a burnout, especially a visual burnout that we kind of all experience these days. So I try to create this kind of eerie landscapes. I use this AI tool that I took off all the objects in the footage, but all the shadows are still there. So the song lyric starts with security questions, and it kind of goes into more like personal. And it just keeps going until it ends on the note of, I forgot everything about you, and I forgot, how did I forget it all? I'm hoping it can kind of blur this boundary between public and private and create a sense of intimacy in a very public place.